So guys, now that you've actually checked out the free trial, I know now you are dying to see what is actually in the inside of the course so you can learn even more premium draping, right? Different techniques so you can really elevate your skills to attract higher paying clients so you can make more money doing exactly what you love. Inside the course, you actually will learn not only basic draping, but you will learn how to create multiple layers, especially those swags that I keep getting so many questions about. It's the difference between just swagging backdrops and swagging backdrops in a premium way so you can demand higher prices, right? I know you also want to learn things such as how to pair your fabric blends and where to actually place them. It's so many bonuses inside the course. It's no really reason you don't have to enroll in it. So not only will you learn how to design backdrops, you also will learn how to create multiple swags, multiple layers, multiple panels, third dimension, you name it, it's in there. If you decide to act now and enroll into the full access program, you will receive new techniques every month delivered right to your portal inside this program where you can not only enhance your skills even further, we also cover tent draping, ceiling draping, canopy draping, outside draping, and so much more. So this is actually the perfect solution for you because 1, it's affordable, 2, it's flexible, and 3, you can learn at your own pace, guess what, in the convenience of your own home. It really doesn't get better than that. So what are you waiting for? Hit that button below so I can see you guys on the inside.